Assalamualaikum students. Today I am going to explain you how do metal reacts with acid. As before we have studied of the reaction of metal with that of water. So this is how do metal reacts with acids. With acid, it will have different types of reaction. When the metal are put into the dilute acid, a similar things happen. A few unreactive metal do not react with acid, but other of the atom reacts with that of acid. Some are reactive and some are non-reactive. For example, here is a magnesium strip which is placed inside the dilute acid. Matlab, dilute acid means that is not concentrated. Water is added in the acid, then it is added. Dilute acid is over there, so the bubbles of the gas is rising to the surface. Bubble of the gas is releasing from this magnesium strip. Second example is a metal bars are placed inside the acid solution. Bubble of hydrogen gases are escaping out, which is popping, which is creating a popping sound to the burning matchstick. This is the reactions of the metal of the reactive metal. Some are the non-reactive metal which do not show any type of reaction with that of acid or water. This is another example. You will see copper is placed inside the dilute acid, so it will not show any type of reaction. So if the sodium is present inside the dilute acid, it will burn. Lead gas bubbles are producing out of the lead. Magnesium are producing lots of gas bubbles, and iron is also producing gas bubbles. So these all are the reactive metals. After that, we will going to study how do metal reacts with acid, how do metal reacts with air or oxygen. There is some example that many metals react so slowly with oxygen in the air that is not always easy to compare them. However, reactive metals such as magnesium burn easily in oxygen producing oxides. Calcium, sodium and potassium also react very quickly in air but not so violently as in water. Metals such as gold and silver do not react with and stay shiny in air. Means some are reactive with that of air and oxygen, some are non-reactive. Here is the example. Brilliant white flame is produced reactive magnesium rubber. Magnesium ribbon जो है if the gas is filled with the oxygen, gas cylinder is filled with the oxygen, so magnesium ribbon जो है वो glow करती है और वो light produce करती है. This is an example of the metal which is showing the reaction with that of the oxygen gas. Now we will talk about the reactivity series. The reactivity series का क्या मतलब है? Some elements are reactive and some are non-reactive. So some are more reactive and some are less reactive. So they are placed into a table. This is called as reactivity series. For example, potassium is at the top of the Legu table. This is the table for the reactivity series because it reacts faster with water and reacts so vigorously with acid that it should never be put into it. Okay, in acid it will produce lots of it will starts burning with oxygen also, so it is so violent metal, that's why it is placed at the top. And some other non-reactive like that silver, gold, platinum, which is placed at the end of this table. This is the reactivity series. Now this is the work which you have to do. Question: name one metal that react with water and acid, that is sodium. Name two metals that react with acid but do not with water. Name three metals that should never be put in the acid. What is the reactive metal? Name one example.